So the key of integrating two projects is to understand deeply about those two projects. That's why most process of integration takes so much time, sometimes hours, days, or even weeks. Right now, we're going to see if implementing Magnum Combat to the newly released game animation sample is going to be a hassle. So we have a fresh project of game animation sample, and I just added Magnum Combat, as you can see here. Let's talk about integration process in general. Why do we have to understand about these two projects deeply? Is because two of them might have conflicting logic that might go against each other. At the previous example, I integrated ALS with Magnum Combat. There really isn't any conflicting logic in ALS because ALS is basically a locomotion system and Magnum Combat is a combat system, so they're not conflicting with each other. So locomotion and combat goes together. But let's see if process can be as smooth as the ALS integration with Magnum Combat. So first we have this UEFN skeleton that we can change into any character. It appears it's a live retargeting thing. Yeah, but Magnum Combat uses a UE4 skeleton. So we're just going to see where the character is placed in the content folder. So click on the character and Control B. It's a shortcut that I regularly use so that I don't have to search. Just click on the character and hit Control B. We can see that this is the parent of the character, apparently. This is the pure form of the main character blueprint. Now we're going to see the movement input. As you remember from the previous video, this is what's important for Magnum Combat to be able to function properly. Now we're going to open the Magnum Combat main character. So Magnum player base, and we have the movement input. Now we're going to copy all of this except the begin play. We're going to copy and paste somewhere near the movement input. Okay. And at the begin play, oh, the begin play is untouched, so we could just, yeah, connect that. The inputs, okay, we have left mouse button, right mouse button, enhanced. Okay, we're going to change this into something else, something like maybe middle mouse button. Yeah, we can change it to any button we like. This is for the demo, okay? And we're going to put this on event tick. Oh, the event tick has been used already. So we have update movement, update rotation, update camera. Right now we're going to create a custom event called update movement data. And we're going to connect this here. Let's make it neat and extend this update movement data that we just created. Okay, now we're going to compile the project and see if we run into any problems, and we'll see what. Okay, so I forgot to add the Magnum Combat component. That is bad, apparently. I also forgot to add arrow, but we can get this resolved in a matter of minutes. Direction arrow, what else? Rotate arrow needs to be refreshed, and it's okay. Okay, what else? Compile. Oh yeah, simple shop component. Okay, what else? forward axis. Okay, forward axis is not here yet because we have no variable called forward axis. Let's just create the variables. Create variables and compile. All right, nothing's wrong. Everything's great. And we have AC Magnum Combat working properly. And right here, we're going to set forward axis and also set the right axis. Like so. And the values, we get the X to forward and the Y to right axis. Now, let's see if this works. We turn on debug with Boolean so we can see if the arrows are working properly. Where's the arrow? Direction arrow. Why is the arrow not visible? I don't know. It's supposed to be visible, but hidden in game. Okay. Maybe it's the hidden in game thing, you know. Can you see the arrow? Oh yeah, we probably did see the arrow, but okay. So apparently I got the order mixed up. Let's just do this, switch, and see if it works. Alright, the arrows work properly. That is the only thing we need to know to see if Magnum Combat is going to work properly. Now, as you can see, that looks really weird. that is because we're forcing UEFN skeleton to play animations from UE4 skeleton, and that's not gonna fit well. But see if we can play the animation with a UE4 character. Nice! Everything looks great. We have Magnum Combat integrated with the game animation sample within minutes. Alright, that's it for today, everyone. Good luck with your own project. Thanks for watching. Now, this has been long awaited. I've been waiting for this. I've been waiting for someone to ask me whether or not we can integrate Magnum Combat with something more complex like TPS Kit. So we're going to do that in the next video. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss it when it's out.